Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Today I'm making butter garlic potatoes for your buffet. Let us begin. We are beginning with oven roasted ones. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 492 Fahrenheit. Wash, cut into half the raw potatoes, place them in a bowl. Sprinkle salt, black pepper, and drizzle oil. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Put the potatoes in a baking pan. Cut one head of garlic, place it in a piece of foil, drizzle, rub it with oil. I would like to thank the returning subscribers. Your support means a lot to me. Place the foil with garlic in the pan. Roast until golden and fork tender. Unwrap the foil and squeeze the soft garlic out, preferably in an empty bowl. I wish I had waited for the garlic to brown just a little bit more. Look at that time. Gone are its glory days. Better is the dry time in a bottle. Mix and mash with a fork. Then drizzle the potatoes with garlic butter and sprinkle with fresh herbs of choice. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Thank you so much for coming. We are done with the oven roast. Now let's do the pan-fried butter garlic potatoes. Cut into halves boiled, soft, dry, cold potatoes. Chop the garlic. I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new videos posted. On medium heat, melt butter or ghee, which is more better choice, in a pan and seal the potatoes. Move them as they seal to avoid them sticking and turn them over once they are brown. Reduce the heat to low. Sprinkle salt. Oops, salt and potato drama happened here. Sprinkle smoked paprika. Let me say good luck to any last potato flavored. They get it all, man. Followed by oregano or mixed spice will do, then black pepper. Stir. If needs be, remove the pan from the heat just for a short while to avoid burning the herbs and spices. My heat was a bit high and I had burnt my herbs. I had to scrape the burnt debris. Melt butter, add the chopped garlic and fry it for 2 minutes. This is me adding parsley or coriander I didn't have. My imagination. I added green onion. Please kindly press the like button and leave a comment below. to add more value to this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will try one or both of these recipes. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.